Welcome to the biology class. In this video, we are going to learn an invertebrate phylum. The phylum is Arthropoda. The members of Arthropoda show great degree of variation in their body form. There are different classes in Arthropoda. The insecta is the largest class in the phylum Arthropoda. Arachnids include the scorpion and spider. Crustaceans are marine arthropods. Examples: crab, prawn, lobster, etc. The insects are the chief pollinators. Arthros means jointed, podus means feet. They are joint-legged animals. They have legs with joints. They have jointed appendages which are used for locomotion, feeding, and sensory function. Even their mouth parts have joints. The jointed appendages are used for feeding, locomotion, and sensory function. Some of the appendages have sensory cells. They detect different senses. Arthropoda is the largest phylum of kingdom Animalia. One of the classes in Arthropoda is class Insecta. Class Insecta is the largest class in animal kingdom. Total species in this phylum ranges from 2 to 10 million. They are bilaterally symmetrical and segmented organisms. Just think about cockroach and butterfly. The body can be divided into right and left halves. Only one time the body can be divided into two equal halves. That is bilateral symmetry. The body has segments. They have ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm. So they are triploblastic organisms. Their coelom, that is body cavity, develops from the splitting of mesoderm. Body cavity develops from the splitting of mesoderm. So they are schizocoelomate animals. They have organ system grade of organization. They have nervous system, digestive system, excretory system, circulatory system, reproductive system. Organ system grade of organization is the highest level of organization. Their body is covered by exoskeleton made up of chitin. The outer covering is a exoskeleton that is made up of chitin. The exoskeleton is very hard. It is tough. It gives protection and prevents water loss. So we may have a doubt. Can the animals grow? The exoskeleton is very tough, very hard. How can the animal grow? Let us see. The exoskeleton is shed off periodically. The exoskeleton is removed by the animal at regular interval. This is the removed exoskeleton. Here also the picture shows the removal of exoskeleton. When the animal grows, the exoskeleton is shed off in a given time. This is called as molting or ecdysis. The shedding of exoskeleton periodically is called as molting or ecdysis. The body consists of head, thorax, and abdomen. The body divisions are head, thorax, and abdomen. The members have segmented body. The body cavity is called hemocoel. The body cavity is filled with blood. Blood does not flow through the blood vessels. Blood stays inside the body cavity. So the circulatory system is open type of circulatory system. In open type of circulatory system, blood does not flow through the blood vessels. They have different sensory organs. The antennae of insects and prawn, etc., detect the smell. Antennae are the organs of smell. They also detect humidity in the environment. Eyes are visual organs. They have two types of eyes. Eyes are simple or compound. Insects have compound eyes. Marine crustaceans, prawn, crabs have compound eyes. A compound eye is made up of thousands of small eyes called as ommatidia. A compound eye is made up of thousands of small eyes. Statocysts are organs of balance and equilibrium. Antennae, eyes, statocysts are the sense organs. Statocysts are found in the head region. They maintain body balance, that is equilibrium. Respiratory organs. In aquatic members, gills are the respiratory organs. When gills are arranged in layers, that is book gills. Book lungs are foldings found in the abdomen region of terrestrial arthropods. Trachea are branched tubes. They are found in insects like cockroaches, grasshoppers, etc. Through the tubes, air moves, and air enters into the body and leaves the body through openings called as spiracles, and the air moves through the tubes, minute tubes called as trachea. Gills, book lungs, book gills, and trachea are the various respiratory organs of different arthropod animals. Excretion is done by malphigian tubules. Malphigian tubules are yellow color tubules. The number is varying in different animals. These tubules collect waste from the body cavity and pour the waste into the digestive system. Green glands are antennae glands. Green glands remove the waste from antennae of the animals. Coxal glands function like a kidney. The coxal glands remove urine and send out urine. There is separate male and female individuals. There is separate male cockroach, female cockroach. There is separate male mosquito, female mosquito. We may know that the malaria is spread by female mosquitoes. So they are dioecious. Oviparous, they are egg-laying animals. Fertilization is internal. Development may be direct or indirect. Most of the cases, development is indirect. Larval forms are there. Eudolian lower classes. In the life cycle of butterfly, the eggs hatch into larva, pupa, butterfly. In the members of aquatic members, aquatic arthropods, there are many larval stages. The life history of many arthropods include many larval stages. This is called as metamorphosis. What is metamorphosis? The young one does not resemble adult. The young one coming out of the egg does not resemble adult. After a lot of changes, it becomes an adult. That process is called as metamorphosis.